Dad, you can see like an old train car down there. That yellow one. Yeah. Maybe. Actually, maybe that's like a model they use right now, but like it's just like a different paint job. Maybe it's like the same model as the other ones, but like no, not the same. No, it's not actually. But maybe it's one that we use today, but like it's different color. And it kind of looks like sometimes maybe I'll see trains that oh, hold on. Well, there's like maybe it's like the C train model because I see like three little like thing. It's where like you see like the information for the train, like where it's heading, like Manhattan bound or something. So